Hi, folks, and good evening from a cold, cold Manali. So, we're at the end of December this year, and we just had a fresh spell of snow last night and in the morning today. The day was very cold, but the nights are even colder, and the temperatures are going sub zero. My guess is I'd gone out a little while earlier. It must be at least -4, -5 degrees right now. So today I wanted to just do a small video to show you what we use to heat up our homes in winter in Himachal. Now this contraption, it's called a Himachali Tandoor, and what it is essentially a cast iron wood burning heater. Now there are a few things about it which make it very efficient and very useful. First and foremost, it's thick gauge iron, cast iron. So when the wood is burning inside, the thick gauge iron retains the heat, and even when it extinguishes, the heat is liberated into the room for quite a while. So let me just open it to show you how it burns. So that's the fire burning inside. And if I close the door, you can see there's a controller here. So I can open the controller, I can close it. If the fire is burning too hot, I don't want the wood to be consumed too quickly, I close it. And if I want more oxygen intake, then I open it fully. So this is called the controller of the tandoor. And if you look at the top of the tandoor, you'll notice that there are these three openings. So the fire burns up to this point. The fire burns up to this point. And what we do is, all these three openings can be used for cooking and for heating water. That's what we are doing at the moment. We've got two utensils on the tandoor, and you can see the water is already boiling inside. There's an additional advantage to doing this. When the water boils, we always leave a little bit of room for the steam to escape. So as opposed to other heating appliances which give you a very dry heat, the tandoor gives you a nice humid heat, and it maintains a very nice ambient temperature. This has been burning for about half an hour, and honestly I don't need the jacket inside the room right now because I would say the temperature is about 25-26 degrees at least. So you can heat water on it, you can even cook on it. Additionally, you can have a small compartment made inside this where you can even barbecue stuff. So the wood burns inside. This is how the wood burns. I'll just show you very quickly. So this is hardwood. This is korshu, oak. So what you do is you put in a few pieces of hardwood, and then you put kacha lakdi, which is essentially apple, plum, wood that burns quickly, and the hardwoods take a little longer. So the balance between the hardwood and the softwood maintains a uniform temperature inside the room. And you see this blue pipe, it's called the nodu in Himachal. So all the smoke goes out of it, is released outside, while your water and is heated. There's a beautiful temperature maintained in the room, and every activity happens around the tandoor in Himachal in the winters. So all in all, a wonderful little appliance to heat your home in winter.